With Dr. Shivangi. Today's topic is perceptual mechanism. As in the previous videos, we already started the playlist for the subject business consumer behavior and also discuss various topics related to it like concept of consumer behavior, consumer decision making process, models of consumer behavior, perceptual perception concept and so on. So in today's video we'll discuss about the perceptual mechanism. You can also watch other videos, links are provided in the description box. So before I started the video, I want to say you that if you like my video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. Now coming to the main topic, which is perceptual mechanism. Perceptual mechanism basically involves elements of perceptual mechanism which includes which process the perceptual process. So what are the various elements of perceptual mechanism? First is selection of stimuli, second is organization of stimuli, and the last is interpretation of stimuli. So this prepare the perceptual process or perceptual mechanism. Now we are discussing each of the slide one by one detail. So first one is the selection of stimuli. After receiving the stimuli from the environment, some are selected for further processing while others are screened out because it is not possible for a person to select all stimuli which he sees in the environment. These are two types of factors which affect selection of stimuli. One is external and other is stimuli and related to perceiver. These internal and external factors are several types. The objects which are selected are those which are appropriate and relevant for an individual or which are consistent with existing beliefs, values, and needs. So, objects or events are selected on the basis of their stimuli or relevancy for the particular person. The second element is organization of stimuli. People do not experience the numerous stimuli from the environment as a separate and discrete sensations, rather they tend to organize them as unified wholes. They try to organize perceptual inputs in such a manner that would facilitate extracting the meaning out of what we perceive. The various forms of organizing stimuli are figure ground, perceptual grouping, simplification, enclosure, and so on. The effect of these factors can be studied under perceptual selectivity. We will discuss these perceptual selectivity in the upcoming videos. So, organization of stimuli is basically organization of all the information which he get in the first step of selection of stimuli. The last element is interpretation of stimuli. Perceptual interpretation is an integral part of perception process. Without interpretation, selection and organization of information do not make any sense. After information has been received and organized, the perceiver interprets or assigns meanings to the information in terms of their own assumptions of people, things, and situations. Generally, interpretation is representation of the information which is observed, selected, and organized in a particular form. They also become judgmental as well as to tend to interpret the things as good or bad, beautiful or ugly, and so on, which are quite related terms. Several factors contribute towards the interpretation of data. More important among them are perceptual set, attribution, stereotyping, halo effect, perceptual context, perceptual defense, implicit personality theory, and projection, and so on. So these are the various concepts related to the interpretation of stimuli in the perceptual mechanism. So this is all about the perceptual mechanism. I again summarizes all the points so that you can easily understand about the topic. So there are various elements of perceptual mechanism which are selection of stimuli, organization of stimuli, and interpretation of stimuli. Selection of stimuli is basically selection of the information which is required, which is relevant to the consumer's opinion, belief, and trust. Whereas organization of stimuli is the organization of the content which he grab in the first step of selection of stimuli on the basis on the form of figure ground, perceptual grouping, and simplification, enclosure, and so on. And the last is interpretation of stimuli. In the interpretation, the consumer or person interpret, represent the information which he collect uh, and organize in a particular form. So this is all about the perceptual mechanism. If you have any query about this topic, or if you want to know about any other topic related to research methodology, business management, or consumer behavior, you can ask me through comment box. If you like my video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, which is Learning with Dr. Shivangi. We'll meet in the next video with new topic. Thank you everyone.